Hello everyone. I wanted to make a little before and after video of this quarter horsepower motor. This motor belonged to my grandfather who purchased it in the early 50s. The motor was built in 1937. It's badged as a Delco motor, but it was really manufactured by the Sunlight Electric Motor Company, who Delco purchased in 1933. Anyways, for the last 70 years, this motor has been powering a belt disc sander, and was filled up with sawdust pretty bad and needed to be rebuilt, and that's what I did. So you'll be able to see a little bit of video when I took it apart, how much sawdust was in there, and be able to see a little video of it running now. And it still has the original ceramic switch. It's still working good. And interesting to note about this motor is when the motor was made, the bushings were sealed and were not meant to be lubricated by the owner. The literature states that the bushings were sealed and the lubricant was expected to last the lifetime of the appliance. These were usually powering washing machines at that time. So up until now, these bushings have been sealed with the original lubricant, and surprisingly the shaft and everything is still in pretty good condition, which is pretty amazing considering the motor is 83 years old and has never had any additional lubricant applied. You couldn't even get to the rear shaft unless you took the motor apart. So when I restored this, I added little oil cups to the bushings. So now when you want to oil it, you just lift up this little lid and you can put oil in there without any problem whatsoever. I also revarnished the windings and just gave it a complete going over, redid all the electrical work in there, and it's running like new now.